Okay, we're doing a test drive of our 57 Healy, driving through lovely Carnation here. So this is the 289 conversion, first year 106 with the hardtop, and Sean is driving it around. Sean's been doing a lot of work on the car, and we're kind of excited about the car. And so Francois, this is for you. Wanted to show you the car driving around. So we got a big backhoe. Hopefully it won't come right in front of us here. Showing the gauges here working nicely. Got the tachometer and accessory panel. New steering wheel. There we go. Oh, okay. So now you're going to experience this thing driving on some rough streets through Carnation. We'll come back to the back of the shop and kind of going through the gears here with the car. And so anyways, we're kind of at the end of the tourist season here in Carnation, and we're kind of this is kind of our standard test route going in the back route here. And what we'll do, Sean, we'll pull up the next to the Porsche, right next to the orange van, and then I'll get out and do a walk around and we'll take a picture. I love the sound of that 289. So we'll just stop right up here next to the orange VW, a little bit past. You can see a couple of our cars here at Giordano's Vintage Motors, and we'll pop out. Do a quick walk around video. Let's get that exhaust note. Why don't you flip the throttle a couple times? Okay. No, we're probably good. I think just a second. We're gonna. So that's it. There's the video.